Hey guys, this is my 2022 winner cake. You can download the easy to follow printable recipe in the description and the first comment. First, let's leave cold butter for the frosting out in room temperature, then preheat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare our cake pans just grease, place a piece of parchment paper, flour and top. Done. Heat up our coffee. I'm using espresso powder here, but if you prefer a strong, freshly brewed coffee, go ahead. Here I'm using a total of more than 1 cup of cocoa powder to ensure a strong chocolate flavor for our cake. The black cocoa powder will give our cake that deep, dark, beautiful color. Now we beat wet ingredients and dump the dry mixture all in. That's right, just like that. As long as the cake is amazing, whatever technique you use doesn't really matter, right? Manually mixing a bit before running the machine to avoid spattering. Beat for just about 30 seconds, then we slowly pour the hot coffee in while having the machine runs on low, mainly just to avoid making messes. Increase the speed once the coffee is all in. 1 to 1.5 minutes of beating is enough. Be sure to scrape and stir at midway and at the end for a well-blended batter. Use a scale if you have one to ensure our cake layers are the same. Tap 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 to pop large bubbles. Now we just bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the toothpick test comes up clean. Just FYI, I have a useful video about cake, you should check it out. Now we let it cool in the pans for about 10 minutes. The cake will detach itself from the pan as it shrinks out. I like to trim off the cake domes now, as it's easier when still warm. Now to make the frosting, basically we beat all ingredients together until super creamy and delicious. I'm very proud of myself of this invention, by the way. Adding cocoa powder to the peanut butter frosting, it does a really great job of taming down the peanut butter intensity, while create a smooth transition going from the frosting to the cake without a sharp contrast between the two very strong flavors. Now to frost a cake, first you should have these useful tools. Then all I can say is just practicing more and you're getting better at it for sure. Anyway, I have separate cooking channel. It's all about making quick, easy dinner that is healthy, affordable for family or meal prepping. If you're interested, link is in the written recipe. We want about 1/4 of an inch of frosting between the layers. The top can be a little bit thicker. Decorating wise, you can do any way you like, but I'm just going to do some simple piping here. Some black cocoa powder mixed in for a contrasting color without using food coloring. Simple swirls, nothing fancy. Admittedly, I rarely do piping. Oh my, this is just so good. I'm loving it. So moist, tender, the flavors are harmoniously working together. The frosting is to die for. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. If you have any question, let me know. I appreciate if you can help out my small channel by doing this. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.